if you could hear me, I will say hi to some people, and then I may miss some messages today. I may miss some chats actually, because there's probably going to be a few more people than there normally is due to the giveaway. But let me start saying good morning, Tom. Good morning, Ephraim. Good morning, Dragon Slayer. Kevin from Dakota. John, how's it going? Russell, Z Guy. Pumpkin spice coffee time. I don't think I've ever had a pumpkin spice coffee. Not sure if I would either. Mark, good morning. John, good morning. See your Discord message. Yeah, so I just posted a Discord message to everyone. I usually don't tag in like that, so it pushes to everybody. But anyway. Lewis Scales, good morning. Hey, Lewis showed me some pictures of his reptiles, and now I want one. Unifi Pro, good morning. Frederick, good morning. Bransley, Jeffrey, Ali, Donald, Mike. All right, so we're caught up. Berserker, THM. So we're going to be doing the giveaway, but the giveaway is going to be in a little bit. So ask some questions if you have any questions. It will probably be around 10:30, 10:40. We don't usually do it right at the beginning. And it's just going to be a keyword that I tell you guys to put into the chat. Whoever wins it, I'll ship it to you. If for some reason you live in Europe, and or somewhere far away, I can ship it to you, or we could just buy one through the Unifi site. I could send you the cash for it. This giveaway has nothing to do with YouTube. YouTube doesn't actually, I gotta say something here. What does it say in the code? Whoops, hold on a second. So YouTube is not a sponsor of this content and are released from all liabilities related to the contest. There we go. Microchip, how's it going from Niagara? I haven't been to Niagara in a little bit. Basic, how's it going? Gamers New Republic, how are you? Windows 11's all right. I mean, it's not... Yeah, it's taken me a little bit to get used to. And usually we don't stream at this time. We usually stream at 11 a.m., but we're going to see this Harry Potter play thing. And Harry Potter and the Cursed Child today. And actually, next weekend, I'm going to be streaming on Saturday because Saturday is my birthday. So I think we'll do that. Russell is getting annoyed, or so annoyed about getting stuff moved over from UDM Pro to the UNVR. Only half the stuff is moved over. Still trying to figure out why I can't add the other stuff. That's strange. Make sure, yeah, I'm not too sure what that is, why that's not working. Blake, good morning. T, good morning. Wait, what do we do? What do we do was looking at a tiger. Yeah, a tiger I probably won't be able to get. I don't have a big enough backyard. I'm Gabriel, how's it going? What are my thoughts on the G4 Doorbell Pro? I love it. I like the package detection. I think they're going to add some more features in the future as well. One thing that people wanted to see on the G4 Doorbell Pro was the LCD screen. You could do custom pictures and stuff like that. Tech, good morning from Scotland. Joseph from Texas. Glenn. Nova Scotia. Haven't been to Nova Scotia. Probably should make my way across Canada and, see some of it. I think it's worth upgrading from the standard G4 doorbell just for the package detection, but I mean, if you don't really care about that, it's not a huge deal, I guess. Took you a while to get used to. So I had my Windows 11 on my laptop, and this is a brand new PC, so it just came preloaded with Windows. Let me get off of that screen because that's bugging me. From Denmark, Michael, John, from Niagara too. Awesome. You saw that play a few weekends ago. The problem, I usually drink quite a bit of water and stuff. I know it's like a 3.5 hour video. I think they do, or sorry, play. I think they do give you a intermission in between though. Windows 11 be the only OS Microsoft supports. Oh, wow. Kevin, he's up. So yesterday, actually, should I show pictures? I guess I could. Kevin, I saw that picture of you in the swing. I'm surprised it didn't break. Who posted that picture? Was it you? Who posted that picture? Anyway, so yesterday was a birthday party for, I guess, my brother and my 2 friends. So that's all of us, back in the day. I'm wearing my nice rack shirt. Where's Kevin? That's Kevin right there. So if you ever watch me playing Call of Duty or something and streaming, I'm playing with this guy, Kevin. But It was a pretty good time. I left around 8 or 7:30. They were probably up super late though. Where the heck was I now? Did you disable protect on my UDM Pro? Yes, I did. Yeah, so my birthday's next weekend. I turn 35 years old, so I'm getting up there in age. On the U6 Enterprise, I added a VLAN SSID and no internet connection. Is that a Unifi or pfSense issue? I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to look into it for you. Bloody Cub, how's it going? Cyberdog, good morning. Jeffrey, did you use a UPS for your personal network equipment? If so, which one? I use the CyberPower UPS. Amazon.com. It's just a small CyberPower UPS. It's a rack. I think it's this guy here. I'll put the link in the chat. Oh, actually, I could probably show it. No, it shows my address. There we go. That's the one I use. I mean, there's probably a lot better ones that you could get. Glad Rap from Australia. Ryan, I'm not too sure if I said hi. Good morning. Morpheus, good morning. The Iceman. What is the Iceman reference to? I don't know if I've asked you that before, because there was this guy called Richard Kuklinski. He worked for the mob before, but anyway. And there was a movie based off him. I've never been to Scotland. I haven't been a lot of places. Like, I've been to islands. I've been to Jamaica, Cuba, Dominican. I've been to Florida, a bunch of places in the States. James, good morning. Mark, Cody, are you going to review the UD? Yes, I am. It's right. I don't know if my thing's working right. It's still not working, my Stream Deck. It's right there. So I'll be doing that this week. It'll probably be out Tuesday unless I get to it tomorrow. Oh, Brandy posted the pictures. Okay, let me take a look. So I'll show you Kevin in the. I thought that branch was gonna break, even with the kids in it. Let's see where Brandy posted that. Oh my God, Kevin. Oh, I don't want the audio going. This is Kevin in a little baby swing, and this is just connected to a tree branch. I wish I was there for that. I would have pushed it pretty up high. Anyway. All right, so let's get back here. I'm gonna miss some of this, but I'm gonna try to get through some of it. You left midnight-ish. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I do realize people do go to church on. Maybe I'll switch my stream days to Saturdays. I'm just trying not to conflict with other streamers. Love the pic. Oh, thank you. We did get a couple other pictures, but... Oh, you were speaking to the guy. Oh, gotcha. Lewis, well, we will do a birthday stream next weekend. That's what we'll do. I'm 30 years old and turning 31 in November. Oh, Chantal's birthday is the 15th. So you're not too far off. Austin, good morning. Russell. Oh, no, you're talking to them. Let's see, where are we? If you guys want to hit the like button, we got 81 people here, 15 likes. Just in time. Yeah, so we'll do the giveaway around 10:30, 10:40, something like that. Oh, the Iceman's from Top Gun. Is that what we're talking about? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Chris did a video about the PDU. I try to get my videos out before Chris, just because once his videos come out, mine kind of, fall under the radar. But he had a PDU from early access, and I didn't have one, so I just ordered it. And it came here. Yes, smash that like button. Good morning, Michael. How's it going? People know my birthday. It's fine. I mean, it's pretty public. Just posted my UPS for my rack in the Discord. Okay, I'll take a look at that in a little bit. I'm doing all right. I'm a little bit tired. I'm up later than I usually am. Oh, that's okay. That's fine. That's okay. I'm not worried about that. It's just a day. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do is let's see. So one way to support the channel is memberships. We're going to get more into memberships, like do things for the members. We could do like member only live streams. I could release the videos early. There's a bunch of different things, but I just want to call out a few people because when I think they joined when I wasn't doing a live stream. So IT engineer, live free David. I don't know how to say this one, but thank you, Mike, Salome, or Solomon, Roman, Kevin, Marco, Ron, New Yorker. Actually, New Yorker's been here for a while. Jamie, Backyard Fabrication, Chip, David Dawson, Broke Blank Phone LLC, Vivian Jean, Pack Pine, Albert E. Albert's been here pretty much from the start of my live streams. Your PCMD, Christopher Odd. If you haven't checked out Christopher Odd's YouTube channel, he plays, if you're into video games, he's got like 500,000 subscribers. Knox, Michael Beaver, and TS. So this just helps out the channel. It's we get emotes and stuff like that. We're gonna get new emotes. We're gonna get new tiers. There's a lot of things that we can do with it. I just haven't done it yet. Austin, thank you for the help desk. So there are different there's different levels of memberships. Realistically, I haven't. This is pretty default. These are the loyalty badges. I'm trying to think of something that we could do with these loyalty badges. But I haven't come up with it. I'm very not creative. So I'm going to have to try to figure out what we want these to be. We're going to get new emotes and then I'll start adding on to it. It's kind of like a Patreon thing. I don't even know. But anyway, it'll be cool. Member 25, I believe. Probably, yeah. I think it's a little bit delayed sometimes. But yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let's see. Did I ever say hi to you, Michael? I don't remember. But good morning. What's your Discord? I wish I had a custom URL. How do you get that? I had to figure that out. Here's the Discord though. If you guys want to join the Discord server. Boop. I need to save up for Unifi. Oh yeah, no worries. No worries. If you don't have the, it's okay. You don't need to sign up for the memberships. It's just if you can, it's all good. No worries. Yeah, so I did submit. They were supposed to have emotes to me by now. I think like 2.5 weeks ago. It's actually just emotes of Mocha and Nilla. But I'm trying to think of different things that I could do for the emotes. I'm not too sure. You help Twitch? Oh, awesome. Well, I do have a Twitch channel. I haven't been on it since I was sick, though. So let's talk about this PDU Pro a little bit. How the hell do I get to it? Let's see. So there's a few things I wish they did differently, and I'll talk about this in the video. I wish they had dual power supplies on it. Or at least, I don't know why they didn't put the RPS port on the back of this. That would have made perfect freaking sense. Because they, like, if this power supply fails, you're kind of toast, right? And people were saying there's no high availability, or so they're gonna introduce high availability with this, but then if this dies, I mean, everything's gone. So yeah, it's a little weird. Jason's Lab, good morning. Jason's Lab has a YouTube video as well. Does Aruba, Genius, I mean, and a couple other things. I forget what other videos, but yeah, go check them out. You just joined the Discord. Awesome. There's about 1,200 people in there, I think. 12 or 1,300. You need to get Unifi stuff someday. Yeah, it's once you kind of start in the Unifi ecosystem, you're gonna want to keep buying stuff. Oh, you just lurk? Yeah. Well, lurkers are great, right? Lurkers, that's all we could, you know, that's how you bring up your viewership. I lurk in YouTube channel or YouTube or Twitch channels all the time. Maybe a stupid question, but will the Aggregation Pro still pass through a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection to my PC using a SF28 port while in the 25 gig mode? So no, it won't. If you change the if you change these ports, the 25 ports, 25 gig ports, where the heck is it? It's that guy right there. So if you change these 4 ports to be 10 gig, or like even one of the ports to be 10 gig, it changes all 4. So it's either 10 gig or 25 gig. Oh, nice. What are you doing? Are you playing? Actually, I don't know if you'll get. You probably can't post the link in here because I have Nightbot on. Does the PDU Pro have a battery backup? I don't believe so. No. Morning from Italy. Good morning. You joined the Discord yesterday. Yeah, the Discord is the Discord's great. I do chat in there once in a while. I'm not in there all the time, but there are like super helpful people in the community. Just join the Discord. Awesome. Your setup is a bit of a mess. Well, that's okay. You got to start somewhere. Even if you think your setup's a bit of a mess and you want to still submit it to that home lab video thing, you could definitely do that. Just upgraded from a UDM base to the UDM SE. Nice. Yeah, the base is okay. The base isn't bad. Now you definitely do need to get a rack, or you could just like mount it to your wall or something like that. I wouldn't suggest normal home users buy into Unifi right this second. Once there's products available consistently. So there's a lot of products that are available. It's just you need to get there in the morning time. Yeah, so there's a channel in the Discord that is called, that I got to keep directing people to, because we have a home lab Discord section, but that's not meant for the video. It's called Home Lab Viewer Video. And I need people to put it in there because it gets really confusing where I'm grabbing all these pictures from. And I don't remember all the time if they've already been featured in the video or not. I'll post it in words. Awesome. So if you want to check out Ryan Sharp's Twitch, twitch.tv/lettheone-marinate. I'll check that out later today. Check that out. I'm always looking for new people to watch and new content. If you look at my UDM Pro or UDM SE analytics, it's Twitch and YouTube. That's all I watch. My network is not good currently. Need to fix it up so it doesn't look so bad. It takes time to get the skills to make it look good as well. Like my network's constantly changing. So I don't even have, even though I tell people to label your ports, I don't have mine labeled right now. Kind of hypocrite that way, but if I'm doing it for businesses, absolutely label it. Oh, do it. Hold on a sec. Oh, let that. Okay. Here, I'll post it. Let that. Let me see. Twitch.tv. Twitch.tv/ there we go. That is his Twitch if you want to check it out. Still waiting on parts to finish my Home Assistant project I'm working on. Awesome. I might put Home Assistant on a Raspberry Pi. I have a couple spare Raspberry Pis that I need to get to or need to use. Products are available. You just need to be quick. That is absolutely true. Hardest thing about Unifi is getting it when it's stock. What did Chris say? Oh God, I think he said at the beginning. Oh no, it was in his because he does a lot of premieres when he's doing YouTube, so you could have live chat with the videos. He said the only thing that you can't do in this live stream or this premiere is talk about stock levels. I need to make that a rule in my chats too. Your phone's going to die. Well, you got to plug it in. We still got like 10-20 minutes before the giveaway. There are services, so they do have a Discord, or like I use UI Notify. I use the Discord as well, because sometimes the Discord notifies me before UI Notify. Sometimes UI Notify, or it hits my text messages before. Good morning, Bruce. Hope you're doing well. It's a little cool out today. Seller forgot to include the PSU to the thin client. Oh, that's terrible. Where are we going here? I'm not too sure when the 3-pack will be available. I have no idea. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't seen the 3-pack in quite a while, actually. Let's see. Where the heck am I? Cool, thanks. I only have 4 devices connected, so no real need to label. Yeah, that's true. If you have, and somebody else said that they just use the augmented reality feature, and and that's probably good enough for them. My thing is I have 4 ports down here for connecting back to my rack. I don't have those labels, and I always forget what they are, so I'm always toning and tracing them out. I probably should get those labeled so I don't need to do that. Rajiv, it will just be a keyword once we're ready to do it. So it may take a couple tries to get it working. I don't know how to use Nightbot perfectly, so you may have to bear with me. There is a giveaway. I was trying to do it every month, and then I think I didn't do one last month. I did giveaways for the home lab videos, but we'll try to start doing them every month again. I just have a ton of Cat 6a and fiber RAN all over the house, waiting for money for all the Unifi stuff. Yeah, Unifi gets pretty costly depending on what you want. You can try to find it secondhand, but the secondhand market's actually pretty crazy too. How quick you need to get stock? Actually, you have to be pretty quick. They are releasing a lot of stuff though. Raspberry Pi giveaway. I could probably do that eventually. The Pis that I have, they're used in cases that I have. I have a I got these two right here. I don't even know what this one is. This is a Labist, whatever. And then this one I've just made into a RetroPie. So it's pretty cool. I want to get some wireless controllers for it though. I built my network when I was 15. It's just a managed switch and my ISP's router with a few extra things like wireless access points and radio servers. Don't know if it'd be well, I mean, you could submit anything. There was one in there that just had a TP-Link switch in there, and that's all it was. I use the UI Notify Twitter for my in-stock notifications. That one's free, right? I'd assume that's free. But those aren't priority. So if you want to be priority, you have to do like the payment service. Oh, the LEDs. I love seeing LEDs. I need to put some RGB in my network rack. Grandstream access points for big deployments. I'm not too sure because I've never done that. Canadian Discord bot is broken for Canada. Can anybody explain why someone should buy the Unifi PDU rather than a UPS? Well, so the PDU is like more of a surge protector. It has some USB-C. I haven't even plugged it in yet. But the biggest thing about this PDU is it's kind of odd they're doing it this way. But they have this. Where the heck do they say it? So if you see here, they have the virtual router redundancy. So this isn't released yet, but it will be in a software update. So we could have 2 UDM Pros or UDM SEs stacked together, and one should act as like an active and passive. If your primary fails, it should fail over to your other one, to your backup. So that's going to be the main thing for it. I haven't taken apart the UBB. The reason why, those are freaking expensive. They did send me a pair of them. I do have them in my basement still. I really want to expand into Protect, but it's expensive. Yeah, Protect is very easy to use though, but it depends on, your price points. No. I probably have that in my, you don't need to, hopefully you're a subscriber here, but you don't need to subscribe to, did I have that in there? Giveaway rules. No, you don't need to subscribe to that, no. Nope. If you want to follow me on Twitter, though, we could, let's plug the Twitter. These links are all down below in the description, but if you want to follow me on Twitter, that'd be cool too. That's my Twitter. I got an Instagram. Did I just post no. Here's my Instagram if people care about that stuff. I do put other content on those platforms, other than my YouTubes. I do have, let's plug this too, my new YouTube short. Because I did ask the community if they wanted me to post YouTube shorts on my main, and they didn't, so I put it into a new thing. Scott, thank you very much. Appreciate it. UI Notify works for me. It works for me as well. I know what's connected to every port in my head. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't do that. I doubt you will see multi-packs of anything as long as they keep the singles in stock. Yeah, probably not. And sometimes it's better to buy the singles. I prefer actually buying the singles. Was surprised to see that the Enterprise in stock so long this week in the Canada. Yeah, so what happened when I first started the U6 Enterprise video is it wasn't released in Canada yet. And every time I created a new wireless network on the 6 gigahertz, it was not broadcasting. Like nothing would happen. Anyway, I had to change my region to US. So I wonder if that's changed now. If that's changed, that's going to be wicked. Because yeah, then I could have the correct region. But 7 feet, thank you very much. Oh, the giveaway is going to be in this live stream. Like, we're going to be doing it in 10 minutes or in 14 minutes. We'll do it at 10:40. So it's 10:26 right now. A hobby that once you start, you can't stop. So I have a lot of hobbies like that. I have the Unifi stuff, or YouTube as well. My Lego, guitars. I gotta probably slow down on hobbies. Yeah. Well, no. You could the giveaways in YouTube. It's in this live thing. You don't need to follow on Twitter or anything. If you're a subscriber here, that's great. Yeah, you could show your rack, Jason. Everybody say hi to Chantel. That's her, Queen Bee. It's free by Crosstalks. Okay, so the Twitter of his is free. Okay, cool. What is the use case for the local DNS feature recently released? Well, what I use it for, I point a DNS name towards my UDMSEs instead of typing in the, IP address. I just have like Mactelecom UDM or something like that. That's what I use it for, and to point to my pies and stuff like that. Unifi 48 10 gig all ports switch coming. I think they already have that. It's the enterprise switch. It is this. Where the heck is it? Is it a 40? This one, I think. Oh no, they're only 2.5. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I thought they had a 10 gig. Maybe I thought they had a one that was full 10 gig 48. Maybe they don't. Do they not have an XG version of that? XG. Nope. Crap. They have a 24 port one, so you just need to stack 2 of those together. What is... Oh, I already said that. No idea why really wanting that UD... I really want the high availability. That's what I need it. The UDM failover sounds like the only good thing going for... So the thing, you could power cycle the ports. Any of the ports you could power cycle remotely or whatever. So that's good. They have that smart power plug kind of built into it. But I probably won't use that feature. Thanks for the site-to-site video. Was super helpful, or super easy to set up. Awesome. I'm trying to get to everything here. Where the heck am I now? Oh, crap. I've started building my network. Haven't started building my network yet. Started watching Cody to figure it all out. Plan to start in a month or so. Can you mix non-Unifi products when you... Yes, you can. Yep. You probably want to get managed switches. Like if you're getting, say, a UDM firewall and a TP-Link switch, I would suggest getting it managed if you want to do VLANs and stuff like that. Ben just followed. Awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's all good. I was just plugging my social media. You don't need to follow it if you don't want it. It's all right. Can I control multi-camera and keypad via the multi-camera and keypad? I'm not too sure what you mean by that. You have a site-to-site set up between your house and your mother's house. That's awesome. I've got monoprice cables all over my network rack and makes the clutter a thing of the past. The monoprice cables, I said it in the video because somebody was using it. The person who won was using it, and the LED lights just shine right through it. It's awesome. Why are you not allowed to talk about stock? I am. No, I could talk about Ubiquity stock. It's just, so if you do YouTube videos and I mean about any product right now, you get probably 100 comments a day about stock levels. What? You deleted it? Why did you delete it? Oh, no. Tech for fun. So are you going to be making this a channel, or are you kind of done doing that? I loved watching your channel. Damn it. I'm waiting for a shipment from Amazon for some replacement Ethernet cables going bad. Mono price is great. I just wish it was a little bit cheaper and yeah. Did you notice UI is not exposing stock quantity anymore? I did. So this morning I got a couple notifications for some switches being in stock, and it's saying quantity unavailable, which is very odd. They're probably just changing something. I would assume that, you know, UI Notify will probably do something in the back end with the code, maybe, to be able to grab that. I'm not sure if you could even get that information. Let's see. I'm losing the will to live for Unifi getting the Switch Flex in stock for PoE. The Switch, I have a couple of these Switch Flexes, I think. Yes, hit that like button. We're at 104 people, 53 likes. Your phone's gonna die soon. Well, hopefully it doesn't. Good morning from Hungary. Have you tried Unifi's cloud controller? So I have tried it with a client. I wanted to do a video on it. It's pretty much, yeah, I wanted to do a video on it, but it's only available in the US right now. Well, the Switch Pro aggregation could do it, but you have to fill it with SOPs, which is going to get pricey. Well, yeah, you could get that leaf switch, but that's like what, five grand something. On-site videos coming up. I'm not too sure. I am doing a build this week or in 2 weeks for a house. I'm not too sure if they'll let me film it or not, but it's a house build. I will ask to see if we could film that. If not, I don't really have anything planned for on-site. Posted my lab finally. Awesome. I'll take a look at that later today. I would love to see some more content on the Unifi Cloud Controller too. Perfect. Let's see. Yeah, hit that like button like Jason says. Actually, we're getting pretty close to... Yeah, getting pretty close up there to matching concurrent viewers and likes. I'm not too sure about the PDU if you could schedule power ports. I don't think you can. That would be a great feature though. George, good morning. What's the best height to install the G4 doorbell camera? So what I do, I kind of do it at chest level. Or, I don't know. I'm trying to think. Maybe like 5.5 feet. Any news on the G4 Flex? No, but that would be awesome. I think that would be amazing. You wish they were in Ireland. Let's see. Prime cables and infinite. So I use Infinite cables. That's what I use for my 6-inch slim. Gotwire, good morning. I think quantity doesn't matter if they're limiting. Yeah, that's the problem. They are. So if I'm trying to buy 50 cameras for a job, I can't because they limited it to 10, which really sucks. I've never gotten an email from Ubiquity stock being available. So what happens with Ubiquity stock, if you click on something that's sold out like this, and you click on, excuse me, if you click on this notification thing, if you were the 100th person to click the notification, it goes in order. So if it sells out before you gets to you, you'll never get the notification. So they do it a little bit different. Discord feeds. I looked at the Discord feed this morning. I didn't see any of the stock though. Whoops. Yeah, I tried to get, so what I would need, I need a US credit card to set up an account. I'm sure there's a way I could do it. I did try to ask them to set up a controller for me, but nobody responded. I mean, it would be so cheap for them to, it would be like $5. I'll pay the $5. Can you do a video on Wi-Fi scheduling? I've set it up, but it's not working correctly. Maybe? Wi-Fi scheduling, I don't think I've ever actually done a video on that. Can I plug my Lorix cameras into the UDM and get full? Yeah, you should be able to. I don't see why not. What are your thoughts, if any? Would you recommend the USG Pro gateway behind? I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. So I would only do one firewall. It gets really tricky when you do two firewalls. I did a video about it, and Lawrence Systems did a video. Lawrence Systems video is actually a lot easier to do than mine. Yeah. Yeah, you could always try. So I use TDL Canada. If I need a bunch of stock and they have it, I'll grab it from them, because you could buy unlimited quantity. pfSense and Unifi do work really well. So I'll show you. We do that quite a bit. There was one on-site job that I did, and I actually was able to film. It was pfSense, and what the heck is it? It was this job right here. So I did a video about this. Here we're using a Netgate 2100. This has now been switched out. We have a 6100 there. We were waiting on inventory, but it works amazing together. Yeah, it's really good. Reactivated old. No. You don't need to activate the Twitter for contest. You're good. I mean, yeah, we're not even going to be looking at Twitter. Twitter is if you want to follow me and see what I post. Alonzo, how's it going? Good morning. I used Wi-Fi scheduling last week. I'm doing great, thank you. PM, good morning. How's it going? Lauren, that looks great. Yeah, this was a fun... do I have any other pictures? So this was it before. It was a bit of a mess. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but we had to get this all cleaned up. Yeah, it was an interesting build, that's for sure. This is my little... right there. Let's move my face. That's my NetAlley tester, the Link Runner 2. I just had to send back that NetAlley NXG, which was that, you know, massive 10 gig tester with Wi-Fi heat maps and, you know, a ton of stuff. I use pfSense with several unified devices. Yes, it does. It works amazing. I think it works really, really well together. Yeah, we've seen some pretty bad cable. Where was the one? There was this one camera system. They're like, oh, I don't know why my camera system isn't working. I think I posted on here. Right here. So this is a hotel that we did the full Wi-Fi for. And I look up in the roof, and this is where their friggin' camera system is. Thrown up in the roof. Oh, they got a little mouse attached to it so they could see it. That place just needs to be torn down. Oops. Oh, why am I not bringing up the chat? There we go. I really wish Unifi would integrate some sort of reboot schedule doing through SSH's workaround, but would be great. Yes, I think that would be great as well. The pfSense boxes, they're more like the little Netgate appliances. They look nice, but they're not rock mountable. They do have like the 7100 version, but it looks more like a server than anything. Good morning, and thank you for your content. Do you have any UDMs in the field? Yes, I have tons of UDMs in the field. People seem to not like them. I mean, or some people don't like them, which is fine. I mean, they do have a few features that pfSense doesn't have, like the high availability. But with this Pro thingy behind me, the PDU Pro, we're going to be having that option. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to start the giveaway in a second. I'm just going to answer these remaining ones. I'm looking to the China. I have no idea. China 4 port or for the next one. Yeah, so you could load pfSense on to pretty much anything. Yeah, so the logging is good. Ubiquiti is starting to do more logging within their firewall. Every release, they're going to have more logs. Do EA items get regular firmware updates? Sometimes. Yeah. What do you think the longevity of the Unifi doorbell? Years. Years and years and years. Okay, so I got to figure this out here. Where the heck did my nightbot go? I like logs too. I hope they implement more of them. Okay, so we're good there. I don't know how, like, do I have to click on everybody? Oh crap, that's why I'm not even connected to my YouTube. God damn, give me a sec. Your comments aren't coming through? Really? Are you posting links or something like that? I don't know if that gave you mod status, but you were a mod before, so we'll re-add you. Sorry, I thought I was signed into YouTube, but I'm not. Or signed into Nightbot through my YouTube. Nightbot is now joining the table. Okay, cool. Right now I'm using Graylog, which is a pain to set up. Did you watch Lawrence Systems video? I don't know if he did a setup video. I love my UDM, but the power consumption is high. Todd, good morning. Port troubleshooting layer 3 and 4. I don't have a course on that. No. All right, so I got to figure this out here. Do I have to click on everybody? Keyword. What will the keyword be? Okay, so it's going to be all in caps. And the keyword is going to be... This is the keyword that you need to put in for the contest. CCTV. So you guys could start putting that in. I'll let you know the eligibility might not start popping up because I don't know if I have this done right. But you may have to do it multiple times. So it's not coming up yet. Just give me a second. Why isn't that loading yet? Oops, no. God, I hate how so they're still not loading up yet. Just give me a minute. All right, we're gonna have to redo this. Keyword. Yeah, just give me, or you guys could keep typing it in, but. It's like it's not connected. Interesting. So it's not showing eligible users here. Okay, let's figure this out. Paid regulars, mods. We've done this before and it worked. So I don't know why it's not right now. Let me make sure that Nightbot is actually a mod in my channel. Okay, YouTube. Yeah, I don't see anybody in there yet. Customization. Nope, that's not it. Yeah, so you guys aren't still going. Oh, let's click on that. Yeah, nothing's going through yet. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. Community. Nightbot is a mod. Heck. Oh, there we go. Okay, keep typing it in now. We're good. We can see all the people's names on here. I'm going to give it a few minutes. Yeah. We only got 53 people in it right now. So there's 132 that are in chat. So I'm going to wait till it kind of gets up there. If you don't want to enter the contest, you don't need to. But yeah. I'm glad that I wish their user interface was a little bit different. It's kind of confusing how they do it. And then once the giveaway is done, I expect probably people are going to drop off, but we'll stay on for about another 10 minutes and then I got to head out. All right, we got 103 people in it. So I'll give this, I'll give it another minute. Actually, here, I'm going to put a timer on my phone and we'll go for a minute. And then once that's done, if you haven't entered, unfortunately, you won't be able to win. But the CCTV, that is the giveaway code. And then we'll hit roll it. You'll see it live. Everybody make sure, or you don't need to type it in, but make sure to congratulate the person who won. We don't want anybody being upset they didn't win. If I could give a camera away to everybody or something to everybody, if I was rich enough, I definitely would, but I'm not at that point in my life right now. All right, so 30 seconds and we'll roll it. Okay, 10 seconds, or 11 seconds, 10 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're rolling. Clay Morgan won. Congratulations, Clay. So Clay, if you could send me an email. Yeah, you got it, Clay. If you could send me an email, cody@mactelecomnetworks.com, that would be great. Congratulations. We will be doing more giveaways, so don't worry if you didn't win. That's awesome. Yeah, so send me an email, Clay. That's great. Congratulations. I don't know what else I don't know. I do have a U6 Enterprise I could give away eventually. Here, I'm going to turn off Nightbot now. We know who won. Actually, let me just... Yeah, so it's Clay. Let me type... I need to put this in my notes. There we go. I'm going to part Nightbot from the channel. There we go. Cool. Congrats. That's awesome. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what else we'll do giveaways. I have done like vertical cable giveaways before. Vertical cable. Most of it's been Ubiquiti. I do have a spare U6 Pro. Or sorry, Unifi 6 Enterprise. Yeah. You guys want to do another giveaway for a U6 Enterprise? It's the box has been opened and it was an EA version, so I'm just gonna let you know that. Okay. So the U6 Enterprise, the box, I have to let you know, I've opened the box. I forget why I opened it. And it has that EA sticker on it because Ubiquiti sent me one and then I bought one. So we'll do one more giveaway. Whoops. So the keyword this time, if I could get it working, will be U6. So you could put that in the chat now. Well, so I had to send something to Lithuania. It was the little smart sensor that I had to send to Lithuania. Oh my god, that cost me so much money. Yeah, the smart sensor, I think it was at the time when I bought it, it was like $50 US. The shipping cost me almost like $180. It was crazy. Okay, we got 80 eligible people. We're not going to give this one too long. There's only 111 people here and there's already 81 people who have started. So I'm going to start the timer for another minute. Oops. And then once that minute's up, we'll roll. Unless is the U6, I don't know if they have any available. UI.com. Do they even have any available in the state or in Canada right now? Oh my lord, those access points are expensive. $385. Gee willikers. How many can you buy? Oh, they have an ordering 50 per customer. Holy crap. That's crazy. I thought they wouldn't have that many. I wonder if they've done the same with the U6 Pros. Yeah, 50 per customer. Wow. All right, we're getting into our last 10 seconds and then we're going to roll this. So we got 5 seconds. And we'll see who wins this one. 2, 1. And we're rolling. Dragon Slayer, you won the contest for the U6 Enterprise. That's awesome. The only thing is if you live in a country, because our channels are different. So if you live in the UK, I'm going to have to just buy one for you and get it shipped to you. One of the EU ones. But yeah, congratulations. That's awesome. Dragon Slayer, you've been a part. I think you've been here for quite a while. Dragon Slayer. No more giveaways today. That's the last one. I wasn't even going to do that one, but you know what? Whatever. I have an extra one in my basement, so I might as well get rid of it. So both of you, Clay and Dragon Slayer, if you want to email me at cody@mactelecomnetworks.com, that would be great. Because I'm going to need a couple things from you. Obviously, do ship it out, so that's wicked. But if you have any final questions, I'm going to be on here for 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to get ready for this Harry Potter thing that we need to go to today. I don't know what else is coming out. Maybe I'm thinking we're getting pretty close to 50,000 subscribers. Where are we on here? So we're at 46,000 subscribers now, 4,000 subscribers away from 50. So I probably should do something big for 50,000 subscribers, I would think. Can I win your cat? Probably not. I love my cats. My cats are awesome. If either of you don't want it, I'll take it. Yeah, my cats are in the catio right now. Tim, have a good day as well. Appreciate you coming by. Yeah, the cats are wicked. I don't know what they're doing right now. They're probably, I had them out where the heck did this go? I need that up. So I typically take them for a walk every morning after the gym. They love it. They enjoy it. They love the stroller. It's getting harder and harder to tell which one's which now. He was just joking. He was joking. Him and I were talking back and forth. Lewis and I were talking back and forth on on Instagram. I can give away some consulting time. Actually, who mentioned that? Who mentioned that? Oh, Javier mentioned it in my Discord to do some consulting time. I just don't know if the majority of people here would even need consulting time. I'm sure there are a couple people. I forget what the rating is on the U6 Enterprise. Let's see. I don't know if I put that in my video. I forget. Where's the IP rating here? Let's just see. IP. Oh, do they not even list it here? It must be indoor only then, because they don't even have an IP rating on it. Crazy. Crazy. So if people are in my country that is hard to ship to, then you could just ask for them to wish list it. Yeah, I could do that as well. I mean, yeah, it really depends. Going ahead. Okay, Ben, have a good day. What cat care? I'm not too sure what that is. Let me log into or log out of Amazon so I could bring Amazon up. Amazon. It's a stroller that I bought off of Amazon a long while ago. Crap. It's okay. I find the wheels are getting a little shaky on them. So let's go Amazon. Oops. Here we go. Cat stroller. It's this one right here. Come on. That's a huge link. Darn it. I shouldn't have signed out. Oh well. Somebody membershiped. I don't know who that is. Oh, thank you very much for the membership, Arden. I really appreciate it. Thank you. We're up to like 26 memberships now. That's great. You did miss the giveaway. We did 2 giveaways. Sorry. We will be doing more giveaways in the future though. I love my cats. I think they're beautiful. Your contest was a blast. Awesome. Yeah, we'll be doing more in the future for sure. And some of them are just going to be random, like in a stream. Because I want to give away things to my regular viewers. So I know when I post stuff like in Twitter and that I'm doing giveaways, we always get more viewers in chat. So there's going to be some times that I do giveaways in live stream without me actually announcing it. My Wi-Fi sucks. Well, you may want to work on that. We need a catio live stream. So if I do end up getting like a gecko or something like that too, I'll probably you know, figure that out. I'll end up putting a camera in there for sure. TH, have a good day. Oh, it says indoor only on the device. Okay, gotcha. By the way, will you ship to Finland? I will ship anywhere in the world, but if it doesn't make sense, if there's things in stock and you could buy it through Ubiquiti, I'd probably just send you the cash to buy it for yourself. It would be easier on both of us. More of a dog person, but my friend has 6 cats. Yeah, 6 cats is a little much. I had to buy a new baby pram recently. Oh, wow. Yeah, like we were looking at this cat exercise wheel. Cat wheel. Oops. It was like $1,000. It was like $1,000 because I don't think my cats would fit in these ones. They're a little too large. But we did find one. But yeah, it's $1,000. So we'll see. I love cats. I've got 2. Awesome. So the memberships you just join, it's like if you ever join, if you watch Twitch, I know you've watched me a couple times on Twitch. It's like a subscription to Twitch. It's really just helping the creator. But I could do, I mean, there's different things that I could do. I could do member only live streams, which if our memberships grow enough, we might do that once in a while. There's going to be other things like we could do emotes. When you put comments under my videos, I see all those first if you're a member. Adam, how's it going? No Friday streams while people are at work. So the reason I did a Friday, well, that Friday stream was just random. I may switch my live streaming days to Saturday. I'm not too sure what people think about that though. Shipping is 102 euros. Yeah, that's the problem. Like the things that I'm shipping out for these two people who just won is probably going to cost me more in shipping than the devices. Layer 3 switching, I've done a video on it already. The problem with making access lists and stuff like that, once the switch reboots, it's saved in memory, so it will erase all your config. I'm in the process of deploying 10 U6 LRs at my workplace. Awesome. We did a deployment of 50 U6 LRs to an old age home. Cats are just very easy to... Yes, you can gift memberships, actually. How do you do that now? I gifted a bunch to Christopher Odd the other day. So if you go here, it's like Twitch. If you guys watch video game streams, they started introducing that. Any kind, and you only can gift memberships on PC though. How do I think you have to be a member though already. It tells you some of the perks. I'm pretty sure you have to be a member. Oh, look at this. Why is it cut in half? There's 50% promo on your first month. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know that. See? Let's see. Where are we going here? You linked one of them on Discord. Awesome. I'll take a look. Solomon, how's it going? Hello. Was watching Formula 1. Ah, too bad. Darn it. Yeah, we'll probably start doing the giveaways once a month and then kind of randomly. I hear that a lot of people are allergic to cats. Could you do a video on how to create a safe and secure VoIP, let's see, for non-Unifi phones? I think Willie Howe just did a video on that, actually. Let's see if Willie did it. I may do another video. Where the heck did he do it? I swear he did it. Observations. Oh, here it is right here. This is Willie's video if you want to take a look at that. If you don't know who Willie is, I'm sure most of you do. He does a lot of Grand Stream stuff as well as Unifi. Yes, a cat stroller. I love it. Oh, you know what? I don't think I did the mod thing right, actually. Let me see. What is your name again? But I'm trying to look at your icon here. Where'd it go? Uh-oh, my eyes. Oh, here it is. Oh, I don't even see you here. Crap. I don't know how can I not just click on you and mod? Oh, there we go. Okay, yes, a cat stroller. Do UDM Pros have some settings that restricts network speeds that should be turned off? Basically, not really. They're supposed to route at full 3.5 gigabit speeds if you have everything turned on. Yeah, state saving would be great. I wish they had that. There's one of our neighbors, I haven't seen it in a little bit, but they would go out for a walk with their dog and they'd have their cat off the leash and it would just follow them. It was insane. Shipping anything from the US to Europe, countries surrounding Europe, is typically expensive. I know from speaking to a company selling house batteries, they advise to just work with the middleman. Maybe we could do that, like a freight forwarder or something like that. I don't have YouTube Premium. I'm probably going to end up getting it because I watch a lot of YouTube and I'm YouTube, if you watch a lot of YouTube, it supports the creators. 2, it gets rid of those commercials that you see. But yeah, I'll probably end up getting YouTube Premium shortly. I'm kind of sick. Yeah. I'm about to buy 12 acres of land to build a house on next door to my parents. Looking to do point-to-point or point-to-multipoint to get cameras up from parents' network for the building process for security. Yeah, you could do that easily. We've done that quite a bit. My wife and 2 daughters are big cat lovers. Can't see a cat and not go crazy. Yeah, there's a pet store down the road that has 2 cats that just live in the pet store, and we always go see them. I can't really talk about this here just because like how we make, money off YouTube is from this. So I can't talk about that too much. I have it. Oh, they have music. I didn't know that. Well, that's cool. I use Spotify. Gene, how's it going? Gonna be on here another couple of minutes. I think I need to go. Oops, I still have my timer on. Darn it. Let's see. Oh, no, it's all good. It's all good. I try not to say some certain words within, you could say whatever you want. I mean, you could say whatever you want within the chat. I'm just not going to speak it, right? To answer your earlier question, no videos on the channel just for watching and supporting creators. Ah, okay, gotcha. Well, I mean, it's probably less stressful. I don't think people understand the stress of sometimes having a YouTube channel, even though most of us do it for fun. Others do it for businesses. I mean, I do it for a business that's promoting. Yeah. But when you get this stress, like if you don't release a video that week, the algorithm's going to go all weird. So you're trying to push out videos and stuff. Oh, okay. I don't think they're going to be able to send email addresses in chat. I think it will probably block it. But yeah, so Dragon Slayer and Clay, just make sure that you email me or Twitter DM me or Instagram DM me or something like that. Cats are evil. Some people really hate cats. Somebody commented on my video. They're like, I won't subscribe here because you got cats. I'm like, whatever. I wouldn't want you here anyway. Should I see a speed drop 100 meg to 55 between my Bell router and my Unifi? No, you shouldn't, Bruce, unless you're turning... Like, are you still using the USG 3? If you're using the USG 3, I forget... No, you might see a drop from 100 to 85 if you're using the older little white router because of threat management. Oh, that's strange. I don't know why that's doing it. By the way, taxes, if you ship to Finland, crazy tax. So if, I don't know how, because you guys are going to have to pay duty and stuff like that. I would, if you sent me the bill, I'd reimburse you. I only do that for giveaways though. Like I'm not going to buy people Ubiquity gear from Canada and send it to them as a business. That just doesn't make sense. They are apex predators. That's true. I mean, I would just... it's up to you. Just do some stuff for fun, right? And whatever. It's hard. It's hard to say. Like people, you'll release a video. I do this all the time still, and I'll be like, "How's it doing?" Looking at my views, seeing how well it's doing within the first hour or something. Or there's some videos that I know aren't going to do well, and then there's other videos like this friggin' YouTube short that got 100,000 views in like, an hour, and then it's completely dropped off. And hasn't got any views sent, so it's it's a little bit different. It's probably threat management, Bruce, yeah, because it does drop it down to 85 megabits per second. Yeah, when I get stuff shipped from the States, like I just got the PDU Pro, that cost me an extra $100 for the shipping or for the duty. Keeping mummies away. In fact, that is true. That is true. I've played Valorant a couple years back. Yeah, I might, yeah. I have played Valorant a couple years back. I think I must have asked you guys, man, before about that name. Maybe in the Twitch chat. Good morning, Cody. I seen your video to use wire. I haven't really done that. On WireGuard and UDM, can't I use it and remove my Pi? So what I've done is the teleport, Unifi teleport, and you can't use that with Windows right now. There's no Windows client. But anyway, I am going to get out of here. If you guys want to hit the like button before you leave, I got to go see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I appreciate everybody being here. The 2 winners, please send me an email so I could get that stuff shipped to you this week. And yeah, thanks everybody for being here. We will do more giveaways in the future. Have a good rest of your day, and watch out for the PDU video this week. If you guys could watch that video and then like the video on it, that would be great.